Sometimes I think I'm just really weird.
This is my intro. This is my intro.
Hey Inspo Squad, it's your girl TT back in the cut. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for clicking on this video. Because you're already here, you might as well do something for me because it just means the world and it just makes sense. If you didn't do it, it'll be rude. Yeah? Before you watch this video, actually, continue. Pause it, then click the subscribe button. Also click the bell button as well. Let's get notified for whenever I upload a video. Then after you watch this video, like and comment and let me know you like the video or just say hey. Let's get straight into the video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving top sneakers every girl needs or should have. So if you like sneakers or if you want to get into wearing sneakers, this is the video for you. So let's go straight into the video. First sneaker that, no, not even girls, pretty much anyone, everyone should have in their wardrobe or shoe collection is these bad boys ones. The summer shoe, the not so everyday crepe but could be everyday crepe if you wanted to. The slick all white trainers that no other trainer can top. No other white trainer can top the Air Force. It's such a classic shoe. The style, the fit, it goes with literally, you can wear this with dresses, you can wear this with joggers, you can wear this with jeans, you can wear this with suits. Yes, suits. Girls wear it with suits as well. It's so ideal for this season we're currently in. It just really goes with every look. It's definitely affordable, it's around 60 to 70 pounds, which is pretty cheap for a trainer because most trainers these days are over 100 pounds. I know, expensive. But this bad boy here is only 60 pounds. And if you've got small feet, then you could probably even get it for 40 pounds if you're lucky. Make sure you check out my how to clean white trainers. I'll put the card right here. Chunky shoes, dad shoes, every girl needs this in their wardrobe because it just gives me 90s vibes. If you love 90s, 2000s music, then this shoe will remind you of that era because this was the shoe back then and it's the shoe right now. Yes, I'm still wearing chunky shoes in 2019 because I love it. Because if you're trying to feel cool, wavy, slick, the girl that chick, then this is the shoe that will elevate you to that level. This is the shoe that will bring forth such prophecies because this shoe is where it's at. I love this shoe because it's the most comfortablest. It's just such a comfortable shoe. The thickness of the sole just gives you that elevation you need. Even if you're tall, we still need elevation. The style of it reminds me of dad. It has that whole dad vibe going on, and which I love. It just reminds me of the 90s, 2000s era, which I love. It's black and white, so it'll pretty much go with anything that you wear. It can be styled up and down. It can even be gym shoes. That's how sick it is. Gym shoes, people. Gym shoes, yes. You can wear these as gym shoes. What? That's the money calling. And it doesn't have to be this Skechers, but any shoe that looks like this works. It works, it works. The next shoe is my baby. It's my ride or die. It's my precious, it's my child. It's the one I call, no, again, I don't call him the shoe. God is who I call him. But this is definitely hands down my favorite shoe in my shoe collection. If you guys are OGs, if you guys have been loving shoes since day one, then you guys will know about Pastries. Yes, Vanessa Simmons and Angela Simmons were the owners of Pastries, and Pastries were the shoes every girl wanted. Oh my god, if you didn't know about Pastries, where were you? Pastries were the high tops of all high tops. They were different colors, they had cool names that related to bakery and pastries. It was the in. And I was that girl that wanted them so badly. I couldn't afford them, but I wanted them. And I think that's where my love for high tops came from. Or just my love for high tops, that's where it came from, I think. But yeah, ever since then, I've loved high tops. these are very versatile shoe. I feel like if you're trying to get into trainers or trying to build up a collection, these are probably the foundation or the like basic level shoe that you can buy, because it's such a standard shoe that most people want to have or have. It's so versatile, and they have different colorways. Once again, it has that sort of high top sort of, you know, look. This isn't actually mine, this is my brother's. I left mine at home, but I'm just trying to show you guys, like, this is the shoe. That's why it looks a bit big. So all the shoes I've shown you are pretty much like everyday sort of shoes, or like shoes that you can do a lot with. The next shoe I'm going to show you is pretty much that sort of sport casual or sport flex sort of feel. If you're someone who's not really into the trendy shoes per se and wants something that's a bit more comfortable, something that is moving towards the gym sort of fitness lifestyle, then this shoe is for you. Called the Adidas Racer Lights. Fun fact, me and my siblings, we all have this pretty much, we all have the same, we don't have all the same shoes, but there are certain shoes that we all each have. It's weird, but yeah, like we just all have the same type of shoe. Sporty, very casual sort of shoes. You really wouldn't be able to wear this with a lot of stuff. I feel like it would just look like you're going to the gym, but they are shoes that you need in your wardrobe because you're not always going to be looking dressed up. You're going to want to look dressed down. So if you're going to the shop, if you're going to the track, you know? I feel like these sort of videos are necessary, especially if your channel is focused on fashion and footwear. You need to do these sort of trainers so people know like what to purchase and where to purchase it from, because it's not everybody that knows about trainers. Let's be realistic, like not everybody knows about this stuff, so it's good to be aware if you're into that sort. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you do the usual and subscribe, like, comment, and stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay true, and I shall see you in my next video.